Beetles are some of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. These tiny insects are not only everywhere, but they also play many important roles in nature. Let's dive into the wonderful world of beetles and discover what makes them so special. Beetles are insects that belong to the order Coleoptera. This name comes from Greek words meaning sheathed wing, which makes sense because beetles have a hard pair of wings called elytra. These hard wing covers or elytra not only protect the delicate wings underneath, but also help beetles retain moisture, preventing them from drying out in hot environments. Beetles come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are tiny, like a grain of rice, while others can be as big as a human hand. Many beetles have colors and patterns that help them blend into their surroundings, making it harder for predators to spot them. Some even mimic other dangerous insects, like wasps, to avoid being eaten. There are more kinds of beetles than any other type of animal on Earth. Scientists have discovered over 350,000 species of beetles, and they think there could be many more waiting to be found. Some of the most popular beetles are ladybugs. These cute beetles are loved by gardeners because they eat pests like aphids that harm plants. Dung beetles. These beetles are famous for their behavior of rolling animal dung into balls and burying them. This behavior helps to clean up waste and also provides a food source for their larvae. Stag beetles. These insects are known for their impressive mandibles, which look like antlers. Male stag beetles use them to fight over mates. And bombardier beetles. These insects can spray a hot, noxious chemical from their abdomen to deter predators. This defense mechanism can be quite effective against attackers. Beetles come in various sizes. The largest beetle, called the Hercules beetle, is one of the largest beetles in the world, with some individuals measuring up to 7 inches long, including their impressive horns. While the smallest beetle, called the feather-winged beetle, measure less than 0.3 millimeters in length, barely visible to the naked eye. Many beetles are excellent flyers. For example, the Japanese beetle can fly up to 8 kilometers, about 5 miles, in search of food and mates. Some beetles communicate using sounds or vibrations. For instance, deathwatch beetles make tapping noises in wood, which can be heard in old houses. Beetles are like tiny superheroes with amazing abilities like strong armor. Their hard shells protect them from predators and harsh environments. Their bright colors and patterns, that can scare away predators or help them blend into their surroundings. Their incredible strength that enables them to carry loads that are more than 1,000 times their body weight. Imagine a human lifting a car. While bees get most of the attention, many beetles also play a crucial role in pollinating plants. They help in the reproduction of flowers, especially those that bloom at night. Beetles go through a fascinating life cycle with 4 main stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. During the egg stage, a female beetle lays eggs, often in a safe and hidden place. In larva stage, when the eggs hatch, tiny larvae come out. They look like little worms and spend most of their time eating and growing. During pupa stage, the larva grows enough and it forms a pupa, which is like a cocoon. Inside, it undergoes a big transformation. And in the final adult stage, an adult beetle emerges, ready to explore the world, find food, and start the cycle all over again. Beetles are not just important for nature, they also have a special place in human culture. People have admired beetles for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians even considered the scarab beetle to be sacred and used its image in their art and jewelry. Today, beetles are important for science because they help us understand biodiversity and ecosystems. These insects make up about 40% of all known insects and around 25% of all known animal species. This makes them the most diverse group of animals on Earth. Beetles can be found in nearly every habitat on the planet, from deserts to rainforests, and even underwater. Some beetles, like fireflies, have the ability to produce light through a chemical reaction in their bodies. This light is used to attract mates and communicate. Beetles are more than just little bugs crawling around, they are an essential part of our world. Their incredible diversity, unique features, and important roles in nature make them fascinating creatures to learn about and appreciate. By understanding and protecting beetles, we help preserve the balance of our ecosystems and the beauty of our natural world. So next time you see a beetle, remember that it is a tiny superhero doing its part to make the world a better place. I hope you have enjoyed learning some amazing facts about these beautiful creatures. Keep exploring, kids, and help us grow by sharing and liking this video and subscribing to this channel.